right, Frank. Listen to this out. What you say, buddy? Here's the real test.
So let me ask you. Earlier
Where
this
you going?
year, for the first time, the parents of a school shooter were convicted of involuntary
forward.
manslaughter and sentenced to 10 years in prison. Do you think
Okay,
holding
here we go.
parents responsible could
You got vacuum pressure?
I'll give you 2 minutes.
Yeah, look at that. Woohoo!
I think in some cases the answer is going to be yes, in some cases the answer is going to be no. And we need to know really how to do it. For example, if a kid steals a gun, that's going to be different than if a parent can't the kid is potentially dangerous. I think this, so to speak, as a father of 3 beautiful little kids that our oldest is now in 2nd grade. And like a lot of parents, we send our kids to school with such hope and such joy and such pride at their little faces on the first day of school. And we know, unfortunately, experience this terrible let's go out to the families that are affected by this terrible stuff. And you do have to do better. I think the family Wilson and I actually probably agree that we need to do better on this. The question is just how do we actually do it? Now here's something that really bothers me and worries me. The greatest majority, close to 90%, and science just keeps saying, the gun violence in this country is committed with the legally up to. And while we're on that topic, we know that thanks to Kamala Harris's open border, we've seen a massive influx
Look, Frank.
in the number of illegal
Frankie, come here.
guns run by the
Look,
Mexican drug
it
cartels.
works. See?
And the amount of illegal guns in the country is higher today than it was 3.5 years ago. But what do we do about the schools? What do we do to protect our kids? And I think the answer is, and I said this, not loving the answer.
Yo.
Because I don't want my kids to go to school and a school that feels unsafe or where there are visible signs of